Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. My name is Raja Salim Akhtar. Welcome in this new video. Before to watch the further video, subscribe my channel, like the video, click on bell icon, share the videos. Mechanics. What is mechanics? A branch of physics which deals with action of forces on particle or bodies and motion is called mechanics. Classical mechanics is also called Newtonian mechanics because it is based on Newton's laws of motion. During the classical period, mechanics was developed by Greek philosopher Aristotle and the Greek mathematician, physicist, engineer Archimedes, and in early modern period, mechanics was developed by Galileo, Kepler, Newton. But in the golden age of Islam, mechanics was developed by Muslim scientist, physicist Al-Farabi, Abu Bashar Mata, Ibn Sina, Ibn al-Hasham, Ibn Baja. The study of physics and in particular mechanics was started in Iraq and Egypt. The Muslim scientists make a very significant development in the field of mechanics and astronomy. Branches of mechanics. Mechanics is divided into two branches: statics and dynamics. Statics deals with the bodies at rest, but dynamics deals with the bodies in motion. Dynamics is further divided into two branches: kinematics and kinetics. Kinematics treats of the geometry of motion of bodies without taking into account their masses or the forces acting on them. Kinematics is concerned with the relation between the forces acting on the bodies and the resulting motion. We know that each definition of an entity involves other entities, and the proof of each prepositions uses other prepositions. So therefore, certain particular entities must remain undefined and certain particular prepositions must remain unproved. So these are called fundamental concepts and fundamental principles respectively. Fundamental concepts and principles. Fundamental concepts for mechanics. In classical mechanics, space, time and matter or mass are the absolute concepts independent of each other, but the concept of force is not independent of other three. Space. In physics or applied mathematics, a three-dimensional region is called space. Time. The middle interval of two instants is called time. Matter. Anything which occupies in space and has mass or weight is called matter. It has three states: solid, liquid and gas. Mass. The quantity of matter in a body is called mass. Force. A force is that agent which changes or tends to change the state of rest or motion of a body. The line passing through its point of application in the same direction is called line of action of force. A set of forces acting on a particle or rigid bodies is called a force system or system of forces. We shall now study certain other concepts in terms of these three fundamental concepts. Body. A body is matter which occupies a limited portion of space, particle. A body of negligible small dimensions is termed a particle. The concept of particle is an ideal one and represents a geometrical point which possesses mass. A body may be regarded as an aggregate of particles. Rigid body. A body is said to be a rigid body if the distance between any two particles of the body remains invariant, that is constant, so that the body does not expand or contract or change its shape in any way. It is an also ideal concept. In this course, simply we use the word body for a rigid body unless otherwise stated. Motion. A body is said to be in motion if in the course of time its position changes with respect to its surroundings. Rest. A body is said to be in rest if in the course of time its position does not change with respect to its surroundings. Frame of reference. The fixed coordinate system which is used to locate the position of a moving body or particle is called a frame of reference or reference system. In the space, we use XYZ axis for to locate the position of a point, and in the plane we use two-dimensional, that is XY axis, for to locate the position of a moving body or particle. Velocity of a particle. We define the velocity of particle as v is equal to dr over dt or r time derivative. Speed of particle. The magnitude of velocity vector is called speed of a particle. Acceleration of a particle. We define the acceleration of a particle as the time derivative of velocity. Second, time derivative of position vector r. Fundamental principles of mechanics. Equilibrium state of a particle. The forces are said to be in equilibrium if the combined effect of these forces is the same as if the particle is moving under no force, and state of the particle is said to be an equilibrium state. Equilibrium law. Two forces can be in equilibrium if and only if they are equal in magnitude, opposite in direction, and act in the same straight line. Law of superposition. The action of a given system of forces on a body remains unchanged if we add to or subtract from them another system of forces in equilibrium. Also Newton 3 laws of motion. First law, second law, third law. Inertial, non-inertials, frame of reference or systems. Parallelogram law. Newton's laws of gravitation are also the fundamental principles or axioms which are also based on experimental evidence.